Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 782 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitcoin is rallying amid the Ukraine-Russia conflict. Coinbase has posted its Q4 financial results, and Bitfarms has entered a $32 million equipment financing agreement. Just before we get into the show, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so Bitcoin is trading for just over $39,200 at the time of recording, having grown roughly 9% in the last 24 hours. This is according to data from CoinMarketCap. Cointelegraph has reported that Bitcoin and altcoin trading volumes have surged at major Ukraine cryptocurrency exchange Kuna in the aftermath of Russia's invasion, and that it almost tripled to over $4 million. The crypto market could be positioned to see further growth if the Ukraine-Russia conflict instigates higher global commodity prices and a subsequent inflation of the world's fiat currencies. Coinbase, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker COIN, has posted its Q4 2021 financial results in a shareholder letter. Highlights include the generation of $2.5 billion of net revenue, $840 million of net income, and $1.2 billion of adjusted EBITDA. An excerpt from the letter reads, quote, "Amid this extraordinary pace of development, Coinbase had a strong year as well. In 2021, millions of new users joined the crypto economy through Coinbase. We generated $7.4 billion in net revenue, including $2.5 billion in the fourth quarter. We became the first publicly traded crypto asset trading platform, and we made substantial progress in building a best-in-class infrastructure to enable easy, safe, and secure on-ramps and access into the global crypto economy." End quote. Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker BITF, has entered into a $32 million equipment financing agreement. Jeff Lucas, the company's CFO, explains, quote, "This equipment financing agreement provides another source of non-dilutive capital, enabling us to finance equipment from our established mining operations so that we can invest growth capital into miner purchases and our new farms under construction. With Bitcoin miner purchases making up the majority of our capital needs, this $32 million equipment financing frees up working capital and supports our flexible and non-recourse financing options, which also include our recently announced $100 million Bitcoin collateralized loan facility." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.